We are going to kick off now, and I want to welcome you guys to this training, MySQL for data analysis. I would like you guys to introduce yourself, like where you receiving this class from, and your full name and your location. Okay, starting from Olo Solar. Please, can you unmute and speak for us?
Okay, good evening. My
Good
name is
evening.
Bola Olushola. I'm receiving this class from Akure right now. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Samuel
Yeah.
Adeyini.
Okay, good evening. My name is Samuel Adeni. I'm receiving this class from Ibadan.
Are you in our classes, like any of our classes before?
Yes, I'm in Excel.
Okay. What about you, uh, Bolare? Are you
Yes,
in
I've
any
been I've been attending the classes,
which of the classes?
exec classes and exec class and the introduction classes.
Okay, no problem. We are going to kick off, and before we kick off, I would like to introduce you to the team, to the faculty team, and also I will introduce myself and to my colleagues, which are not yet present, but the introduction will be like a presence for them, okay? And also, I am going to take you through this journey in my SQL for data analysis. And as we go further, we are going to see various topics, and also you got to know me very well, and uh, you got to learn new things for what we are going to learn. Okay, thank you for joining. And so I think someone just joined us, and I would like you to unmute. Okay, your daily. I would like you to unmute and introduce yourself. Okay, okay. Ogun, okay, I've already met with Ayodele in our Excel class. I'm familiar to Ayodele, and Sonto. Sonto was my Python student who just graduated, and I believe you guys are not new to me, okay? And we are going to kick off. Sonto, I would like to hear from you. You are welcome. Can you unmute and speak? You are welcome.
Thank you. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Thank you. Was one of our students. He's familiar to me. That's why I did not tell Sonto to introduce himself. So, Ayodele, I would like you to unmute your mic and speak. Ayodele, Ayodele, please unmute your mic and speak. Okay. I think he's not fully ready for the class. Silvanus, you're welcome. You're welcome. So I would like you to unmute your mic and speak. You'll introduce yourself to us and your location and where you are receiving this class from.
Thank you very much. I am Silvanus. I am in Benin and I'm receiving the class in Benin City as well.
Okay. Are you in any of our classes, ongoing classes?
No, this is my first class.
Okay, this is your first class. You're welcome. You're
Thank you very much.
welcome. You're welcome. So, I believe I'm familiar to the rest of you, and so we are going to kick start now. And so, let me introduce myself and my colleagues. So, this is the curriculum, and which we are going to journey through. Uh, First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Okore Moses Chukudike, and a graduate of Nnamdi Azikiwe University, and also a graduate from Auchi Polytechnic. Also, I have a national diploma and a Bachelor of Science, and also my professional qualification. I am a certified Python developer, SQL developer, and data analyst, and a project manager and digital marketer, so, and a graphics designer. I'm your facilitator, and so this is all you we have to know about me. And as time goes on, you know me better. Okay, and this is my colleagues. His name is Martins Israel. Is yeah, a app developer, a web developer, AI developer, and a neuroscience certified, and robotics. So his education, he owns a national diploma and a bachelor of science. Is your co-facilitator, and we are going to journey together in subsequent time when you come across him. Okay, and also we have Apa Yama Tewasa, a Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery, MBBS, and also a professional qualification, certified developer, and certified data analyst. So he's our co-facilitator. And also, before we move further, we are going to see our curriculum, which we are going to work together. Okay. So I hope you guys have met with us now. Silvanus, I hope you all heard what I just said.
Yes, I heard very well. Thank you.
So now let's go to our curriculum, and the curriculum is week one. We are going to look on MySQL fundamentals, which we are going to introduce ourselves to MySQL and database. MySQL and database, and which we are also going to see some of the basics MySQL syntax like select, from, where, and also data type and our operators. We are going to learn about that. Okay, and so Arismat. Arismat, you just join us, and I would like you to mute your mic and introduce yourself. Arismat is my although is my I think the core three graduates of Python for data analysis. I think you guys do not know Arismat. So Arismat, unmute your mic and speak. Arismat,
Hello, good evening, everyone.
good evening. So we are not hearing you.
Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Please be audible.
Hello, can you all hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. Thank you for that short introduction. Thank you so much, sir. My name is Enyafe Ayomide Emmanuel, and I'm a student of University of Benin. So I'm happy to actually to be in this program. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, I believe you guys have heard from my students. So it is a student and also a pharmacist, a making. Okay, Arismat, you are welcome. Thank you
Yes, sir.
for
Thank you, sir.
thank you for showing interest to join this course in SQL. Although I know Python is not okay as a data analyst, and you should try to have basic knowledge or also basic knowledge in SQL and Excel. So now, so we are going to look at the week two. So week two, we are going to querying data, filtering of data, where we use the where and or and no not. So we are going to look at on sorting and limiting data, where we are going to order by limit. We are going to use the word limit, and also we are going to see where we use using aggregate function like count, uh, um, sum, average, and also we are going to look out on week three, which we are going to join table. So someone just join. Promise. Can you unmute your mic and introduce yourself to us?
Uh, I promise. I just came online right now. I mean, on WhatsApp. I almost forgot that we had this meeting. Yes, I promise.
Please be audible, okay?
Okay, I can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Um, I'm promise by name. I'm who promised to let me from by name.
Okay.
Um, I'm a medical practitioner. Um,
A medical practitioner.
yes, a
Okay.
researcher.
No
So yeah.
problem. Where are you receiving this lecture from?
From Nigeria, Enugu.
Okay, you're welcome. I believe most of the people here present are medical practitioners, and you got to know each of them and relate with them. Okay, you are welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So we are into the introduction of MySQL for data analysis, and we have already introduced ourselves, and also we have look out the faculties of this community, and also we are in the introduction of the curriculum, and also we are reviewing it for us to know what we want to learn and what we are going into. Okay, Ayodele, and please unmute your mic, and we want to hear from you. I know that you are my student of ESL. When I tell you to unmute your mic, please do unmute your mic. Okay, unmute your mic. That's
All
where
right,
I
sir.
out.
All right, sir. Good evening, sir. How you doing, sir? My name is Ongubu Ayodele, and I am very happy to be here. Joining from Lagos, and I'm a mathematics graduate, sir.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir.
So I believe we all are like brothers, and also we are families. So we should try to relate with each other and also study well together. Okay, please, we are going to review the week three, which is joining tables, joining of tables, introduction to joining table, and also we are going to look out on how we can join table using the inner, the left, the right, and the full outer, the full outer. So these are the uh, processes we use to join a table. We are going to see the uh, derivative of tables and also practice on joining tables. So on the week four, we are going to look out on advanced MySQL, and which we are going to use the group by and having clusters, group bys and having clusters. So we are going to see look out of function, although we might not look more on this Windows function, but we are going to be introduced into, okay, and the week five and the week six is based on designing up. We are going to design table. We are going to start from scratch, but these are introduction to database design principle and creating and modifying a table. This is where we are going to use the real life data set to solve problems. So, and also I want to let you know that at the end of the week five, you are going to work on project which is the week six, and which you will be issued some questions to look out on, and also work on the real world uh, project, and also give us feedback from what you have learned. So I believe this curriculum suits your demand and also help you. So I want you to unmute your mic, and also if you are not comfortable with the curriculum, let us know so that we can work together. So I don't know if this curriculum suits you, Bolari. Hello, Bolari. Can you unmute and speak? Are you okay with the curriculum? Is there any question to ask? Hello, I'm not hearing you. Please be audible, okay?
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
I said I'm okay with the curriculum.
Okay. I believe this will help you through it. Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
Samuel Adenini. Samuel.
Hello. I said
I
yes.
believe.
It's really good.
Okay. And Sonto, are you okay? I believe Sonto, you are familiar with some of these things I've just mentioned in Python, but these are new tools we are going to use. Okay. Sonto, I
Okay.
would like to hear from you.
It's okay. The curriculum is okay by me.
It's okay. Okay. Silvanus, I would like to hear from you.
I believe it's very okay.
Okay.
Yes, welcome.
Ayodele, Ayodele. Okay. Promise.
I just wanted to ask quickly, under the
Okay.
advanced curriculum, right? And we still work on pivoting and not pivoting data, right?
I'm not hearing you. Can you be audible?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, I'm just asking to clarify my own end. Under the advanced, the week for the advanced project SQL, are we working on pivoting and non-pivoting data too?
Like I did not understand your question. Please, can you loud your mic so that I can hear you properly? I barely hear you clearly.
Can you hear me right now?
Yes, yes, I can hear you now. Good, good and
Okay,
fine.
okay. I'm asking under the for the week where you'll be running the advanced curriculum. Are we gonna touch the pivoting and unpivoting data too?
Pivoting.
Yes.
In MySQL,
Yes, in restructuring data sets.
restructuring. Restructuring. If you mean restructuring, what do you mean by restructuring?
Um, let's say you are reporting. It's a report format.
Okay. Um,
And
have you have you take a course on data analysis before?
not so well. It's not direct. I've been into it a little. Just that it's should I say um I can't really hold on to much of the knowledge I got before now. So
Okay. Although when you are talking about pivoting, have not heard about pivoting in MySQL, but I've heard about pivoting in Excel. I say as pivoting of table. Okay.
okay, okay,
And also, when you are talking about pivoting, is when you are trying to visualize and creating uh, some responsive visualization. Okay, so I think I will advise you or introduce you to our Excel class next cohort so that you can have a good understanding on pivoting. Okay, now in
okay,
SQL is just like a simple package for analyzing data, unlike the cells which have a lot of uh, taxes to go through, and also Python. So SQL is just for managing database. Okay, just for managing database, to manage your database. Okay, when you talk about Excel make use of managing database, visualizing, and also creating uh, creating an automation. Okay, I believe what I've explained to you, you have gotten it. Okay, hello, promise. I believe what
okay.
I just explained is okay
Yeah,
by you.
yes, I got the trick. Yes, thank you so
Okay,
much.
you're welcome. So, soon to I would like you to unmute your mic and speak.
Okay, I want to ask a question.
Okay,
This is my SQL and SQL are they same thing?
MySQL and SQL.
Hmm.
Okay, okay. Let
Are
me
they the
tell you
same thing?
something. They are the same thing. Although I want to explain something for you. MySQL are using different packages, different processes. Okay, and have you heard about XAMPP?
No, no.
XAMPP. Okay, XAMPP makes use of MySQL and also make use of database. and that XAMPP is for web development. Okay, we have different packages of MySQL. We have the new MySQL. We have NoSQL. Okay, and we have MySQL, and we have, but they are similar. They work on data table, but different processes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we are this workbench I introduced you guys to is just for our analyzing of data. As a data analyst, most times we make use of uh, um, workbench. Okay, and also we are not working online like transferring data from a web page to no. We are not using those other software. So we are using a workbench. That's why I introduced you. Some of you guys could not install it. I know that you guys will be finding it difficult to install my SQL workbench community version. I think it is difficult for some people. It is not difficult for some people. Okay, due to most times some people have two or more MySQL. It might be difficult for them to install. You have to install one on a system. If you try to install two or more MySQL, it will not function properly. That's why I told some persons to um, hello. I told some persons to uninstall and reinstall. I believe you understand what I explained. So, Oluwa Soya, Oluwa Olusola, please can you unmute? You raise up your hand. Bolari, you raise up your
I'm
hand.
with you. I'm here.
You wanted to ask a question.
No, no, no,
Okay, and
no. That was a
I
mistake.
don't know if everyone here have successfully installed their MySQL, SQL. Have you successfully installed SQL Workbench?
Yes,
Not yet. I
Yes,
will.
sir.
I
yes,
will
I
do
have.
that tonight. I will do that tonight.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Ayodele, have you?
Yes, I have. I have. I'm the one
Promise.
bearing the format on the group.
Okay, Promise, have you? Hello, Promise, have you installed it?
Yes,
Okay,
I have.
Samuel Adeni.
Yes, I have. I'm the one bearing SMT.
Okay, and let's see, Sylvanus, have you installed it?
Yes, I have.
Arismat, have you? Arismat.
Yes, I've installed it, sir. I've installed it.
Okay, now let's start. Let me introduce you to MySQL. So first of all, we want to know what is MySQL. What is MySQL? And so let me share my screen and to what I have for you guys today. Okay. So a minute before, let me share my screen. Okay. I believe you guys are seeing my screen. Okay. I don't know if you are seeing my screen.
Yeah, you can see your screen, sir.
Okay, now, and I want you guys to uh, react if you want to react. If you want to ask question, also indicate, and also if you want to speak, you can indicate. Now, we want to know what is MySQL, and also what is MySQL uh, uses for. Okay. Now, before I introduce you to what is MySQL, this is a workbench package, and this workbench package allow you to create a data table, import data sets, and also make use of code. Okay, and told you to install the full package. Can someone ask me why I told you guys to install the full package? If there is there anyone who would like to ask me the question?
Yeah, why do we do so?
Okay, yeah. Why we do so is that there is a database that comes with the full package. There's a database that comes with the full package, and also there's security aspect, which you guys have to create a password before logging your database, right?
Yes, yes.
When you installed your MySQL, I hope he asked you to create a password.
Yes.
I don't know, same with
Yes, sir.
everybody, right? And you created
Yes,
the
sir.
password.
Yes,
Yes,
we
sir.
did. I did.
Yes, good. So to show you, yes, to show you that it is more secured. Okay, for example, you are working with an organization, and the data set should not be linked to any other person. You can load your data set to your MySQL, to your SQL, and lock it. Nobody can access the database. You can upload your database on your Google Colab and delete the original format, which nobody can access it except you. Okay. And also security, for security purpose, data set is more important. So you have to get duplicate, and those duplicates will help you in case you misplace or you delete. Okay. And I think when you upload it, you upload your first to your MySQL, and also upload to your drive. I think it will serve as a duplicate, and it will help you a lot. So I believe the first question is almost answered, but let me show you this. I believe you are seeing where I am pointing to. I want to point to a database which was like a default database. This is the default database which it comes with. When you install it, and automatically, some who installed it wrongly, it did not ask for password, and this database did not comes with it. And when you look at it in those people who did not install it well, it will show connection error. So now this is a full package which comes with a Scala database. This is database. I think it's a movie database, and look at the database. Okay, and also we have uh, we have some other data, and also we have the real world data, the world data, which is the city, country, and language. So these are default database, which you are going to make use of at the end of this training, so that you guys should not find it difficult to access a database or uploading. So we are going to use this in your research work. I believe I have answered your question. If I have answered the question, can anyone respond by reacting, or if you are not clear, you can still ask your question. Okay, good. Larry, can you unmute and speak? Okay, can you unmute and speak? Larry,
Okay. Yes, I'm with you.
you raise up your hand. Please, can you unmute and speak?
I didn't.
Sir, I'm the one that raised my hand, sir.
I didn't.
Okay, Arismat, you raise up your hand.
Yes, sir. Sir, after I installed the my SQL, when you are actually showing us just now, it's just only SIS that I saw there. Does that mean that I didn't install the full package?
You did not install it very well. Play. You can. You have to. The difficult part is you have to uninstall it and delete it from your local disk before you can install it again. Okay, I believe each and everyone saw the Skiller database. Please, can you check? Starting from Bolarin, you said you have not installed, right?
I haven't, but I'm going to do it tonight.
Okay, Ayodele, please check your schema if you have this database.
Yes, I have it, sir.
Good. Promise, please check your database if you have the Skiller database. You're good. Adeyini, please check if you have it. Samuel Adeyini,
Yes, I do, yes.
good. I believe Arismat, you are hearing from them.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, I'll try and uninstall it now and install it again.
Soon to, I believe you have it, the Skiller on your
Yes.
schema. Good. Sylvanus.
Yes, I do.
Uh, so I got some messages, like some questions. Is there any need to create a personal database for your project, personal work? Yeah, we are going to look on how to create. My response was we are going to use this database at the end of our class, okay, as a final project. But I want to tell you that as we commence our class, we are going to see how we can create tables, how we can create database, okay? That is our goal. That is the reason for us to being, that is the reason for us to uh, come here and learn, okay? Promise, I believe I have answered your question. That's the main reason we are here. We are going to create a database. So I'm going to teach you how to create a database. On your own spare time, you can work on your database, okay? So Sylvanus, Sylvanus, you said you have it, right?
Yes, I
Okay, I believe you guys are with your laptop, yeah, present.
yes.
If you are with your laptop here present, please raise up your hand using the sticker so that I will know how many is with their laptop. And soon to,
Yeah, yes.
I did not see you raise up your hand. You are not with your laptop.
I'm with my laptop.
Okay, Adeyini. Okay, good. So, uh, okay, you can put down your hands and let's continue from the class. Okay, now let me introduce you to the window. This is the header bar, and this is our program layout, which we are going to uh, run our code and work on our code. So let me use this administrator. Let me show you guys. Okay. Uh, First of all, let me introduce you to the file. And this is the file which new data, new query, and you can create a new model. When we talk about model, like when you are designing data set, and if you want to create new queries, did you see new query tab? And this is a new query tab. So is it just like a default name given to a database which you intend to create, and now you can open a model, MySQL script, and any open recent file and all. And this is edit. I believe all these headers are not new to you. Most of the apps have it, and this is for viewing, and also this is for querying. So this querying, if you want to execute, or you want to execute uh, text, and this is just for executing, okay? And this this database is just like connecting database, okay? So this server, I think you don't need more of this, but I would like you to also look at on how you export or data, import data, and also now this is tools, utility tools, and scripts. So this is for an icon to create a new SQL tab for executing, and this is for opening a folder, and this is for inspecting, and this is how we can create a table, a new schema in the server, and this is how we can create a table and all. So we are not going to create all this manually, but we are going to create it using codes, okay? That is a main reason. So this is our output display. This is where we are going to see all action and if our code is being run. Okay, and I believe you all understand what I just explained. If you don't understand, please raise up your hand. Okay, Ari Smart, you raise up your hand.
Oh, sorry, sir. That's a mistake, sir. Sorry.
Okay, okay. And now I believe everyone is clear. And now this is like uh, tab. If we want to close the left hand tab, we can create close it. If we want to close our output display, we can close it. Want to close our right hand bar, we can close it. I believe this is clear to us. Okay, and first of all, what is our MySQL? Okay, I want to ask question from you guys. Okay, Polari, what do you understand by MySQL before we start? I want to have an interaction with you guys.
Okay. Ah,
Okay.
what I understand about it is just a an application which you use to query and database. We can also use it to store data, and we can make use of it to handle large amount of data depending on the way we want it.
Good. Okay, are you smart? Are you smart?
Okay, sir. What I actually understand uh, by the okay, the my SQL, yes, yes. What I know it's they use it for just basically to store data. Though I know that there are a lot of functions to it, but that's the only thing I know for now.
To store data. Although at the beginning when I was learning learning some coding skills, I was thinking just like to store data or it's just like a server to keep our data or a cloud to keep our. I don't know. It's a database which you can manipulate and manage your data. Okay, please just try to learn from this class today. So, are your daily, and I want you to unmute your mic and speak.
All right, so I've unmute.
So, what do you understand by database, MySQL?
Okay. Um, my SQL is a software program that is used to write SQL queries, basically queries, and it helps to actually um, it helps to actually source out information from a particular database.
Okay, okay, and good. So, I just saw someone who just joined us, Usman. Please unmute your mic. Introduce yourself. Where are you
I'm
receiving this
Bashir
class?
Usman Babatunde.
So where are you receiving this class from? Hello, where are you receiving this class from? Hello, where are you receiving the class from? About today, are you hearing us? Baba today, please unmute your mic. Where are you receiving this class from? Okay, I believe you don't want to speak. Hello, Baba today, please unmute your mic and speak. Where are you receiving this class from? Okay, thank you. We have really enjoyed your stay, and you may feel you don't want to ask questions, you don't want to respond. I think you have to rejoin when you are ready to answer the question. You rejoin again. Okay, bye. So um, now, promise. I would like to hear from you. Promise. What do you understand by SQL? Hello, promise.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
So what do you understand
Um,
by
hmm,
SQL?
hello?
I said, what do you understand by SQL?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. SQL, for the tiny knowledge I have about it is a free source. Um, Let me find the word. Is an open source relational database that manages data, that helps you manage and interact with data sets. Okay, and I think it's one of the widely used database system.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for nice response. As times goes on, so I was like trying to get a feedback from you. to see what you have at hand so that I can also contribute for you guys. Okay, please don't be offended. You might just join us, or you might not have this idea of data MySQL, but I want to see what you really understand by MySQL. So before we go further, okay, Adeyini, Adeyini, please unmute your mic and speak. What do you understand by SQL, Samuel? Hello, Samuel.
Okay, okay, it's like an open source relational database management system, which it's that allows the users to create and manage their database and manipulate the structures of their data very well.
Good, good. I think, thank you. It's okay. I'm okay by you. Okay. Baba, today, are you ready to speak now? Where are you receiving this class from?
Yes, I'm ready, sir.
So, where are you receiving the class from?
I'm receiving a class from Ahmad Bello University, Zaria.
Good. You are welcome. So, you join late, and we don't take late coming for granted. Uh,
Okay. I'm
we
sorry,
don't.
sir. I
Sorry,
went to prayer.
we don't take late coming as not important. It is important to join early, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, please try. On our next class, we want you to attend the class at about 7:55. 7:55, okay? Join the
Okay,
class.
sir.
And I believe you have installed my SQL.
Yes, sir.
You have installed it, okay?
Yes, sir. But if I can share you the installation, sir.
You have shared. Okay. At the end of it, at the end of this class, I would like you to go back to this video again and tell me if you have exactly what I've introduced, the first introduction. I would like you to tell me if your database is same with this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You can mute now. Okay. So to what do you understand by uh, SQL?
Okay. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, which allow
Okay,
the user to be able to create, manage, and delete data in a database.
okay, good. Nice one. Nice one. Sonto. Sonto, you want to tell me that CM Tech have really impacted on you, yeah? That's why you want to expatiate for us. Uh, Silvanus, please unmute your mic and speak.
Structured query language (SQL) is a type of the programming language that is used to um, manipulate that data in the sense that you do a lot with data using the programming language.
Okay, Silvanus, please note, your mic, you have to really work on your mic. And I understand what you just said, but although your mic is a bit low, try to work on your mic. Thank you for all your contribution, you guys. Okay, Baba, today, please, what do you understand by SQL?
SQL is a programming language that is used to manage or manipulate data in relation to data management system.
Good. Thank you. Thank you for your. I think that is the sound and question which you just answered. You're welcome. So, Instructor Martins or Martins.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Okay. So everyone, our instructor just came in. One of our Instructor Martins. So Instructor Martins, please introduce yourself to our students.
Oh,
Please, your mic is not loud, so
okay. Hello, good evening, everyone. I'm
please,
Martins.
your mic is very low.
I think I have a bad reception here, so I think the network is bad.
I guess you have to increase the volume.
It's already at the highest now.
Okay. So is having network issue or okay? He said you have network issue, and it's one of our instructor, the SAIR instructor. So Mr. Martins just came in and he's one of us, and also the co. I'm going to share you the picture of our instructor. So I believe some of you were not opportune to see it, but I have to go over it again and share the screen. Okay, and this is our instructor which just came in, Instructor Martins. So I believe if okay, as times goes on, we will know our instructor well fully. So he's a data specialist and also a mobile app developer, a web developer, and AI developer. And also is a certified neuroscience and robotics. Yeah. So this is our facilitator that just joined us. I believe I've introduced him to us. Okay. And thank you, Instructor Martins, for joining. So let's go back to uh, our class properly. Okay. So now we are going to look on some basic tasks we can create, or our next class we are going to create a database. So thank you for joining, and I believe as times goes on, we are going to work together as a family, and also we are going to put more effort on this training. So now this is our program. First of all, I want to explain my SQL for you guys. My SQL is a structural query language. It's a programming language that is designed for us to manage data in relational database. SQL has a varieties of functions that allow its users to read, manipulate, and change data. Okay, and it is commonly used by software engineers and data analysts. So the important, let me try to explain the important for you guys. the importance of MySQL. I think it is semantically easy to understand. It can access large amount of data, large amount of data. When we talk about data, it can access millions of data at within or with a simple code. So I want to hear from you. You want to speak?
Yes, I have a question. He said he
Okay.
can accept. Said he can accept many large amount of data,
Yes.
but on the that dashboard now, I'm seeing limit to 1,000 rows.
Limits. Okay. Limits. You can set limits. Okay. You can set
Okay.
limits. Okay. You
Okay.
can set limits. So let me see something. Did you see? What did you see?